Hi friends, today in this video we are watching the latest main gate design ideas and later we will discuss what will price for making this kind of main gate designs. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and thank you for watching this video. So let's begin the video. The design of main gates plays crucial role in the overall aesthetics and security and functionality of your property. The main gate is first thing people notice when they approach your property. A well-designed gate enhances the overall curb appeal and set the tone of your rest of property. A strong and well-built gate serves as barrier to keep unwanted people or animals out, enhancing the safety and privacy. It can also be integrated with the security features like cameras, intercoms or SS control system. The design can reflect the value of status of the property owner. For example, intricate and grand gates might be symbolize wealth of prestige, and while minimalistic modern designs can communicate the sophistication and simplicity. The main gate need to be function well term of easy of opening and closing, as well as offering convenient access for the vehicles. It should be also durable and able to withstand weather conditions and wear. The main gate is often act the bridge between the landscape and driveway and the building itself, so it's need to be harmonized with the architectural style and surroundings. And the short the main gate's design is blend of form, function and protection, making it critical aspect of any property overall layout and presentation. In India, there are various types of main gates to suit different types of your needs and budgets and preferences. The price can vary based on the material, size, design, complexity, and location. Here are some common types of main gates and their approximate price ranges. The first one is the wooden gates. Wooden gates are the traditional and give to the warm and natural look. They can be customized in the various designs from simple to the intricate patterns. It's used the materials like teak, sesame wood, or engineered wood. The price range is the starting around 20,000 to 50,000 or more depending on the type of wood we can use. And second one is the metal gates or mild steel or aluminum. Metal gates are durable and low maintenance and comes with wide variety of designs such as modern, traditional and ornamental. Mild steel and stainless steel aluminum, these gates are price range around starting 15,000 to 60,000 depending on the size and design complexity. And another one is the wrought iron gates. These gates are known for their intricate and artistic designs. Wrought iron gates are sturdy and offer to the classic and elegant look. Iron or steel with rust resistant and coating. The price range is the 20,000 to 70,000 higher depending on the design and finish. And another one is the PVC and UPVC gates. These are modern gates made of plastic materials, often use of their lightweight and low maintenance and qualities. Materials we can use the PVS or UPVC. The price is the 8,000 to 20,000 for standard size and designs. And another one is the sliding gates. It's ideal for properties with limited space. Sliding gates open horizontally rather than swinging outwards. They can be manual or automatic. The materials we can use these gates steel and stainless steel, aluminum, and sometimes combined with the wood or composite materials. The price range is the 30,000 to 80,000 for manual gates, 60,000 to 1,50,000 for automatic sliding gates. And another one is the automatic gates. These gates are operate with electric motor, allowing to the automatic open and close. It's often with remote control or sensor. The materials we use for this kind of gates, metal, steel, aluminum are combination of materials. The price range is the 40,000 to 2 lakh 50,000 or plus because it's depending on the size, material, automation, and features and brand. And composite gates. These are made wood or metal. Composite gates are combined with elegance of wood and durability of metal. It's offering the best for both materials. Metal frames with wooden composite panels, 25,000 to 80,000 depending on the materials and design, and designer and customized gates. These gates are fully customized to suit your specific design and preferences and your needs. They can be combination of materials such as metal, wood, glass or stone. A mix of wood, metal, glass and other high-end materials we can use these gates. The price range is the 50,000 to 3 lakhs or more based on the design, complexity, materials and craftsmanship. And some factors affecting the price ranges. The premium materials like teak, stainless steel, wrought iron or stone, well the cost is significantly more than basic of materials like mild steel or PVC. And design. Integrate the decorative designs and custom elements, carvings or glass panels, etc. will rise the price. And larger gates, especially for villas or larger estates, will cost more due to the increase the materials and labor. Automatic gates, whatever sliding or swinging, it's require motor and sensor, which increase the overall cost. And the price may be vary by location and the vendor's reputation. When selecting the main gates, it's important to balance design, functionality, and security. The material size